is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another vlog. So we are going to jump on right into today's video. As you guys know, Lucifer here has been down for the count for almost a week now, and it's literally killing me because I want to drive the car so bad. And most importantly, you guys know I want to go ahead and get the bumper fixed up because of our little incident we had last week. Hit something in the road and completely jacked it up. So I know I left you guys on a little cliffhanger as to what I was going to be doing, a GT500 bumper, or the other option was the Roush fog light kit. So as I mentioned in that vlog, guys, I really wanted to do the GT500 bumper. Don't get me wrong, I think it's probably the best option you could possibly do for the S197s. But with that being said, that whole conversion would literally cost me nearly $2,000 out of pocket. And that's just kind of ridiculous for a front bumper right now. But I did go with the other alternative, and it's inside the garage. I'm gonna show you that in just a moment. I just wanted to go ahead and just let you guys know that the GT500 bumper is definitely gonna happen. Just because I'm gonna go ahead and install these fog lights today doesn't mean the GT500 like vision is gone. It's definitely gonna happen, but I think it's gonna be one of those projects to where I kind of piece it together, you know, over time, to where I'll buy the cover first, I'll buy the grill second, you know, the lips and all that. I plan on doing it that way just so I don't have to spend literally $2,000 for the whole kit and paint right off the bat, because that's a hefty little price just for a front bumper cover. Truly do wish I could just buy it, install it, and call it a day and have the GT front end, but unfortunately, guys, that's not in the plans as of right now. Have more important things to take care of. But since we aren't doing the GT500 bumper, I want to go ahead and show you and give you a little rundown as to what I bought. And I don't know if the title and thumbnail is giving it away. I did mention it just now, but yeah, let's take a look. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the box real quick, bring it outside. All right, I'll go ahead and show you right here. With the video I posted when I explained to you what happened with the car when we removed the bumper, and if you haven't watched the video, click the card right up here, go watch it, then come back. I did say that the Roush fog light kit would pretty much cover the damage that's done on the bumper right now. And going into this, when I saw like what I did to the bumper, I was kind of freaking out because it was just like one of those things there where I thought for sure I would have had to put a whole new bumper on the car. And I was really trying to avoid that just because that's just a stupid setback. It's a lot of money, and you know, the paint is where the money comes in. It's crazy. Yeah, it was kind of tough, and I didn't really have that many options. So while I was freaking out about it, you know, I hit up Gordon, and Gordon just threw this idea at me that the Roush fog lights should definitely cover and, you know, have to cut out that piece that's broken. And I was like, damn, that's so much cheaper. And it's really cheap, actually, and I'm gonna go into that in just a moment. But overall, just at this time and place right now, that was just so smart to do. And yeah, that's why I went ahead and did that. So I did have a subscriber reach out to me and say that he did have a brand new Roush fog light kit, not even opened. And you can see I kind of peeked, but literally, guys, brand new. So without any questions, I had to go ahead and buy it. And I got this brand new Roush fog light kit, which usually retails for almost $400, I think, for $150 brand new. But let's go ahead, open this up, see what we're working with, and we're just gonna keep on trucking. All right, guys, so first look inside the box. As I mentioned, I did briefly just like peek at a little bit of things in here, but you know, everything is brand new, and that makes me so excited just because I don't have to go chasing down parts or anything like that. Literally, the whole kit is right here. So right out the gate, you guys can see we have, you know, the bezel for the Roush fogs. I'm gonna set that aside, and we got, it looks like the, you know, internal skeleton that's gonna be inside the bumper, so we can set that aside as well. It did come with new fog lights, and for those of you that don't know this, these aren't any special type of fog light. These are actually fog lights that are ran in the Terminator Cobras, so they're very easy to get. Nothing special about them, but the one thing I'm kind of having a problem with right now is the fact that these aren't tinted like the rest of my lights on the car, which might throw it off. So after we install it, you know, I'm gonna go ahead, take a look at it and whatnot, see if I like it the way it is. Maybe applying tint, maybe taking off the tint, don't know yet. But yes, these are Terminator Cobra fog lights, nothing special. Can literally order these online very cheap, so they do come with a set of those as well. And we could set those to the side. This is all junk, don't need that. Got another assembly right here. And you know what, while we're holding this, let's go take a look real quick. So you know, obviously this isn't gonna look, you know, like a finished product, but pretty much that is gonna be put right there. And damn, I think that's gonna look pretty good. Don't want to give too much away because I want to show you the finished product. But speaking about finished product, it is very, very difficult to install these things. It's very excessive. I'm gonna talk more about that in just a moment, just because I'm kind of nervous about this install. It's nothing like plug and play. There is a lot of this. I'll show you. So not only with the kit does it come with all the proper bezels, fog lights, and everything, but you do have templates. And these are probably by far the one thing I absolutely dread, just because you have to cut all this out. Oh man, like I'm already having anxiety just looking at this, and you literally have to place this on your bumper and just hope for the best. So yeah, if you're really not looking to cut your bumper, deal with templates and stuff, this isn't the kit for you. But what choice do I have right now? You know, I literally have no choice. I have to get the car fixed. It's driving me nuts. Again, it's like 60 degrees out right now. I want to drive the car and I'm stuck with the Camry. So we're gonna try to get this done today. Cool thing about this, guys, is I know many of you guys are thinking about the whole plug up thing, but the kit does come with 2 fog light extensions. So that's pretty awesome. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have to do any wiring, just plug and play. So that's gonna go with those. And as far as the kit, I think that's pretty much it, besides, you know, just the proper hardware you need, the drill or to screw in the bezels, and you got some 3M, you got some 3M adhesive promoter. And yeah, it's easy, and you know, as much as I would love to say this install is gonna be very simple, I really have a lot to do. I don't think you guys understand. And you know, thankfully LMR, Late Model Restoration, by the way, if you need any Mustang parts, go check them out. They also have this kit. I'm gonna link it in the description. But LMR did a quick little video on the installation, and I'm honestly probably gonna use, you know, their template video to go off of, and I'm gonna put it in this video so you guys get a better idea, because it was professionally filmed on their end. And you know, it's really hard, especially when you're a one-man band. And if I did this, you know, if I went step by step by step, you would literally be watching probably like a 3-hour video, because I got a feeling that's how long this is gonna take, done correctly. And you have one shot, guys. Oh boy, this is gonna be fucking nerve-wracking. I can already see it. But I do plan on taking this whole bumper inside my room, just because it's a little more comfortable inside. And oh my gosh, this sucks. It is more comfortable inside. I'll be able to work with no like distractions or anything. Just take my time, make sure I do this as proper as possible. And you know, hopefully get this thing all fixed up and finished today so I can go ahead and drive the damn car. I gotta admit though, I think those are gonna look very good on the car.
Release the 5 retaining tabs and remove the fog lamp delete panel from the bumper cover, aligning the marker lamp provision and the bottom of the template to the bottom of the bumper cover edge. Mark the centered area on the 7 pilot hole spots. Once all your 1/8" pilot holes are drilled, step up to a 3/8 bit and fold the tabs of the inboard template and tape them into position. Once everything is marked, remove the templates from the bumper cover to cut out the areas we marked on the bumper cover.
All right, little update, guys. It is a little dark, but as you can see, I got the holes drilled out, and yeah, my soul really hurts right now. All right, guys, so we got the templates all marked up. As you can see, we got those green lines. That's the cut lines. Got both sides done. And pretty much we're full send with this right now. We're gonna go and try to get this thing cut up. All right, fuck, we're already committed. So I am just gonna film this on the GoPro. Little update for you. We are 100% complete when it comes to installing the Roush fogs. The bumper is still off the car right now. I have to do some trimming on the crash bar in order to fit the fog light harnesses or something for like the fogs to clear. It's really odd, but gotta do it. And yeah, it is now 4 o'clock. I've started on this since 10. It's just so tedious, man. It's just, I'm over it. I'm so over this. But I will say that we no longer have the boo-boo. Take a look. So we got the Roush fog installed, and that boo-boo was underneath there. We got it all cut out, which are the pieces right here. And yeah, I got a cold midway through this too, so you know, it's my luck. But we're gonna go ahead and continue, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get the crash bar cut, and then we're gonna go ahead and start reapplying the bumper and see where we get. All right, so I just went ahead and cut the crash bar. You have to cut like a diagonal on this side and on that side. I'm kind of running out of daylight, guys. I'm trying to hustle this out, but we're gonna go ahead, put the crash bar foam back on, and after that, we're just gonna go ahead and put this bumper and slap it on. All right, so I know this is kind of like jumping back into the vlog, but yeah, I wanted to go ahead and capture Ben's reaction real quick to the car because he hasn't seen it yet. I think it turned out pretty good, man, to be honest.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, definitely.
You like it?
Oh, for sure.
It looks pretty mean, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does look. So it's the same bumper, right?
Yeah, same bumper.
Okay.
You just cut out where the fog deletes were,
Gotcha.
and you install those black fogs.
Saucy.
I like it. Saucy, that's a new one. Yeah, you gonna start it up for us?
Clutch in.
Yeah, you got it. $1,000 play fine time. This is my car, guys. Check it out. It is banging. 2 by 2, 3. Oh. Well, there it is, guys. The Roush fogs are now completed, and the best part about this whole entire thing is this. I damaged this area of the bumper, but as you can see, due to installing these fog lights, we were able to actually cut out the damage, and boom, we're good to go. We are golden. And this part of the bumper was indeed pushed in. I was able to heat that up, push it back out, and to be honest, guys, I don't think the front ends looked any better before. Like, what do you think, man?
Honestly,
honest review of it.
It looks good. I like it.
It makes it just look so much more aggressive, doesn't
it?
Really
does, yeah.
Like, it just
fits with the whole theme.
It does, man. I think the black and blue I have going on is like the perfect, and like, you know, with the headlights being blacked out, we got a little bit of the light shining through with the fog.
Yeah.
Like, I just love it. I truly love it, man.
Me too, yeah.
So happy with it. Well, we just hit another spot, got some photos done and stuff. If you guys want to check these out, follow me on Instagram at Derek Brand Productions, and follow Ben on Instagram at The Auto Empire. Guys, I think that's gonna go ahead and conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you did enjoy, and if you enjoy these fog lights, make sure you drop your boy a thumbs up. I truly appreciate that. Anyway, guys, I hope each and every one of you have a blessed day. With that being said, I will see you Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, back on Derek Brand Productions. And yeah, have another video for you. But until next time, see you later.